गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं चैप्टर ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज इट दैट ड्रॉस डैरी टुवर्ड्स मिस्टर लैम इन स्पाइट ऑफ हिमसेल्फ? आंसर है, लैम इज अ 14-year-old बॉय whose one side of face is burnt with acid. He comes to Mr. Lamb's garden by climbing the outer wall thinking that there is nobody there. To Mr. Lamb is an old man who lives all alone in his house, which has a big garden. He grows crab apples there are and has beehives. He makes jelly from crab apples and toffees from honey. One side of Daddy's face is burnt with acid and he fights shy of meeting people. He had many unpleasant experiences, so he wanted to lead a scheduled life. But Mr. Lamb, who is lame because one of his legs was blown off in war and had a tin leg, does not seem to bother much about it. Unlike Derry, he is open to people and leads a normal life. Derry is drawn towards Mr. Lamb because he can identify with him, but his approach to life is different from the of Derry's. Mr. Lamb enjoys meeting people despite the fact that the children call him Lammy Lamb. He tells Derry that though there are fruits and flowers and trees and herbs of all sorts, but there are weeds also. He tells Derry that it is all life growing same as Derry and himself. He tells Derry and Derry has got a burnt face and he got a tin leg. But it is not important as there is no difference in Derry standing there and he sitting here. He advises Derry to keep his ears shut to what people say. He tells Derry that locking oneself up in a room and never learning it is no solution. Mr. Lamb sits an example of man who was afraid of the outside world where he could die. But a picture hanging on the room fell off the wall on his head and killed him. That is why Derry was drawn towards Mr. Lamb, because he treated him kindly, was open-minded and had generosity of heart. He did not treat Derry as others were treating him. So Derry was drawn towards Mr. Lamb for his sympathetic attitude in practical wisdom and for his generous and kind-heartedness. Question number 2. In which section of the play does MJ Lamb display signs of loneliness and disappointment? What are the ways in which Mr. Lamb tries to overcome these feelings? Answer. Mr. Lamb is an old man who lives all alone in his house, which has a big garden. He grows crab apples there and has bees. When Derry enters the garden while climbing the wall, he thought that it was empty house. Mr. Lamb tells Derry that it is empty as he is out there in the garden. He says that it is empty until he goes back inside. He displays signs of his loneliness. Mr. Lamb tells Derry that when he goes down the tree, the kids shout Lammy Lamb. Derry asks Mr. Lamb how will climb on a ladder and get the crab apples down. He asked Mr. Lamb, he fell and broke his neck, he could not lie on the grass and die. Mr. Lamb replies that he could. Mr. Lamb also seems to be disappointed when he says to himself that people say they will come back, but they never come back. He was thinking so when Derry said that he would come back. However, Mr. Lamb has found ways to overcome his feeling of loneliness and disappointment. His doors are open for everybody. He welcomes all those who come to him. He welcomes kids who come to him for toffees he makes of honey. Mr. Lamb says that his house is not empty but it is full of books. To overcome his loneliness, Mr. Lamb reads books, sits in the garden, and listens to music of bees. Moreover, he has lots of friends who are free to visit him. Question number 3. The actual pain of inconvenience caused by a physical impairment is often much less than the sense of alienation felt by the person with disabilities. What is the kind of behavior that the person expects from others? Answer. Some people in this world unfortunately becomes victims of physical impairment. Usually for such people the agony of physical pain or inconvenience is far less than the mental agony they have to undergo. It hurts such persons when the people point out their disabilities in the grab of showing sympathy. That is why such persons like Derry start avoiding people and feel alienated from them. Derry is a 14-year-old boy who unfortunately had burned one side of his face when the acid fell down on it. The agony of Derry is expressed when he says that he is not afraid of the people, but the people are afraid of him. When people see his face, they say that is bad, terrible, and ugly. They call him a poor boy, which is things he is not. That is why he does not like being the people. On the other hand, Mr. Lamb, one leg was blown off in war and he has a tin leg. But being an old and mature man, he knows better how to cope up with his handicap. Everybody. He keeps himself busy by reading, listening to the music of bees and watching beauty of the nature. I think such people do not expect exaggerate sympathetic behavior or sarcastic comments showing fake pity. They just expect normal behavior from other people. They don't want all the time they should be made conscious of the physical impairment. Question number 4. Will Daddy get back to his old calculation, or will Mr. Lamb's brief association effect a change in the kind of life he will lead in the future? Answer. Derry is a 14-year-old boy, one side of whose face is burned with acid. After hearing so many taunts and unsympathetic remarks from people regarding his burned face, he does not like being with people. Derry enters Mr. Lamb's garden thinking that it is empty. But he finds Mr. Lamb there, who to large extent changes his attitude towards life. Mr. Lamb cites examples to make Derry understand. He tells him that one side of the corner in this garden he has grown weeds. He says that there is fruit, flowers, trees and herbs of all sorts in garden, but there are weeds also. He tells Derry that it is all life, growing same as Derry and himself. He tells him that he is old and Derry is young. Derry has got burnt face and he has got a tin leg. He says that is not important. Derry tells Mr. Lamb that he does not like being near people. Mr. Lamb says that then Derry could lock himself up in a room, never leave it. Mr. Lamb then narrated by the story of a man who did that because he was afraid of everything in this world. So he went into his room and locked the door and got into his bed and stayed there. Derry asked forever. Mr. Lamb said that for a while because a picture fell off the wall on his head and killed him. I think due to his brief association with Mr. Lamb, Derry would not get up on his old speculation. His attitude toward life will change and he is more likely to lead a normal life. It is evident when Derry tells his mother that it has nothing to do with his face and what he looks like. He says that he does not care about that and it is not important. Derry says that it is what he thinks and feels and what he wants to see and find out and hear. He says that he is going back to Mr. Lamb's garden because if he does not go back there, he will never go anywhere in the world. Thank you for watching.